This is Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So to start, launch the default phone dialer app that looks exactly like so. At the top right corner of your display, you'll find these three dots which you want to tap on. Go for Settings. Onwards, turn on the switch in front of a caller ID and spam protection feature. Agree and accept terms of service and privacy policy. Then open the options page. In here you can further make the spam filter stronger by enabling the switch, and then choose how strict you would like for it to be. You can either make it so that all spam calls will be rejected and blocked and will not bother you, or only the one that system will count as high risk scam calls. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.